The portable dishwasher countertop is a compact and smart solution for any modern kitchen. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With its Wi-Fi smart control, 5-liter built-in water tank, and efficient design, it takes the hassle out of daily dishwashing while saving you time, water, and effort. This dishwasher comes with 6 wash programs, giving you the flexibility to choose between quick cycles, eco-friendly modes, or heavy-duty cleaning for tougher loads. The 360-degree dual spray arms ensure every dish gets thoroughly washed from all angles, leaving your plates, glasses, and utensils spotless. Combined with high-temperature cleaning, it doesn't just remove grease but also eliminates bacteria, making it perfect for families, especially when cleaning baby bottles or sensitive items. Its compact countertop design makes it ideal for apartments, small homes, dorms, or even RVs. You don't need permanent plumbing either. Just fill the 5-liter tank, press a button, and let the dishwasher do the work. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor cycles directly from your phone, making it incredibly convenient for busy lifestyles. Quiet, efficient, and easy to use, this dishwasher helps save water compared to hand washing and fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Whether you're a small family, a couple, or someone always on the go, it delivers the perfect balance of performance and portability. The portable dishwasher countertop is more than just an appliance, it's a time-saving upgrade for your daily routine. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.